Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Fabulous Sayings. This is a Stampin' Up! Product of the month. You can get this exclusive product for only $5 when you spend $100 or more in a single order. And you can get it until February the 6th. And then a new product of the month is coming out. So I am using Night of Navy, and I have inked up the stamp set that says "To a Fabulous Friend," and I will trim that down just a little bit. But I am featuring here the new designer series paper called Lovely Blossoms. Now I will write the measurements down for you on a sticky note, but basically you're going to need 3 pieces of paper that is 1 1/4 tall and 3 3/4 wide, and we're going to adhere them to a piece of basic white. And I believe that one is, 4 by 5 1/4. I hate shouting out all these fractions. I've never really liked fractions, to be honest. I'm not mathematical at all. I'm a creative person, but I do know that a lot of people do actually really appreciate the sticky notes. So here they are. You can jot them down as you need to. So we're going to add one more piece of designer series paper, or patterned paper, if you will. This one is 3/4 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide, and that is just a different colorway from the paper that I was using. And we're going to plunk that right in the center. So we're going to cover most of it up anyway. In this pack of paper, there's these little, I don't know what they're called, sort of pre-made pictures, if you will. And I decided to cut one of those out. So the ribbon I just used was, it is textured ribbon, and it is cloud cover. So I did a little kind of a jaunty twist there. And then this is the flower that I fussy cut out. Aren't you happy that I cut all of that out? So that you didn't have to watch me cut it out. And we put dimensionals on the back, and I do swivel this a little bit more so that it's covering more of the ribbon here. But anyway, I did want to make sure that I didn't cover up all of that pattern paper. You can see now where the placement is. I put a little bit of adhesive on one side and a dimensional on the other side of the sentiment. And then I go in and decorate this card with 3 little dots. They are glossy dots from the Moody palette, it's called. So that is my share for today. I will leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the product for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow, and it's free, so it's not going to cost you a cent, I promise. And I want to say thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday with my paper pumpkin alternatives. Watch for that, my lovelies. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.